Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we get to show off some really cool clothing. This comes to us from Mason and Company. Yeah, I still have the tags on it because I wanted to show you how the clothes actually look, fresh out of the box and put on as if we were in the dressing room. And on a rare occasion, I'm actually standing up for our review so you can see that I am a really tall individual. So what do we have here? We've got some men's stretch. I'm going to back up so you can see it. Some men's stretch, skinny fit pants that really look, I think, very nice. They fit very well. We're going to tell you about the details in those. We also have a sleeveless shirt that they sent me, as well as a flannel that I've rolled up the sleeves on, and I think it all looks really good together. Also, Mason and Company sent me some black jeans that we're going to talk about here as well. So I'm going to set those aside. Now, first off, the flannel shirt. Now, what I do like about this is that it is a more of a slender fit. As somebody who's maybe 6'3" and well over 200 pounds, I think that this gives a good look for somebody like me. The sleeves are just tight enough to where they kind of make you look a little more muscular because it's right in there, and just kind of tight in the right spots. I really like that. So next up, we see that they sent me this shirt as kind of an undershirt. And yeah, I think it looks nice. They have their emblem on here. And overall, the stitching and quality on this is absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you can see this, but if not, we'll go ahead and get a close-up on screen. That everything is stitched very well. The buttons aren't going to come off. And the overall quality on this flannel shirt, as well as the shirt underneath, is spectacular. Now the jeans themselves, let's go ahead and show you up close on the stretch black jeans here first. As you can see, they do have the emblem, which is a really cool emblem. The quality is nice. And for guys who maybe want to be a little bit more fashionable, the fact that they do have some rips and tears in them to make them unique and individual is awesome. Now, as somebody who doesn't wear a lot of kind of skinny fit pants, this is actually something that I thought would be uncomfortable, but honestly, it's not. There's a little bit of tightness around the calves, which feels good. It's kind of a material that is meant to stretch. So if you're used to wearing anything like boxer briefs or anything like that, you know how it kind of hugs your form, but it doesn't feel bad. That's exactly what this does. And you don't need to see it, but it actually shapes around your bottom to make sure that you're looking your best down there as well. Now, because of how it's designed, this can be worn with a belt or without. I decided to wear a belt with it, decided to tuck in just a little bit around here, but overall, I think it looks really nice. Now, this can be worn. This is not a short sleeve shirt. So if we roll this down, we can also, as you can see, excuse me, there we go. Gotta get the collar right. You can also wear short sleeve for a little bit cooler environment. So let's go ahead and do that now on both sleeves and tuck those in. So while I'm doing that, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. We have new videos all the time. These fashion videos are a lot of fun for me. I've got a couple really cool ones in the channel. So search around and check out all the cool clothing. This belt is a previous sponsor. And check out all of our sponsors in our videos because we only put the best of the best out here, folks. If somebody sends me something that I don't like, we're not going to check it out. So, okay. You can see the look with the sleeves down as well. And you can just go ahead and button this up. There we go. Hide the tag here. And you can see how that would look as well. Pretty form fit, snug in the right ways. And obviously, if some people like to wear a little bit looser, you can do that as well. Overall, you know, these guys are available on Amazon. So if you're interested in checking out products from them, I'll put a link in the description below. You know, sometimes we get lazy. I get lazy. I work from home editing videos, so sometimes I'm out in the same basketball shorts, the same stuff all the time, and I forget it's time for an upgrade. If your stuff's looking faded, looking out of style, out of fashion, well, maybe now is the time to go ahead and upgrade into a little bit nicer product. So overall, yeah, something that kind of tones, fits to you, makes you look good, makes you feel good about yourself. Go ahead and check it out. This company, again, is M&Co, Mason and Company. And original goods, the pants are scarred ink denim, dark blue wash. This is a 36-32 fit. And I'm maybe a 220 pounds, 6'2", 6'3", probably 6'3" inch male. And these really do look good, fit good. And it just feels good to have something that fits you, right? So again, go ahead and check out Mason and Company. Really fantastic clothing. I would say these are very true fit. You know, I looked at all my other jeans and it seemed like for the most part I was wearing 36-32, 36-32, 36-32. So I sent them 36-32 and this fit, again, it's a little elastic, so it gives you a little breathing room for if you're between a size, that sort of thing. It really fits well. So yeah, I thought you would enjoy seeing this as much as I enjoy wearing it. I'm adding this into my arsenal of clothing that I have. The material is 68% cotton, 30% polyester. It says machine wash, cold reverse pants, excuse me, before wash. And prefer wash is dry clean. They're made in Bangladesh, 36-32. Mason and Company. We'll put all their product links and descriptions in the links in the description below. Yeah, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. I really do appreciate it. Again, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Make sure to click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. I didn't realize how much I would like this, particularly with the sleeves rolled up on it. I think it's good looking. You know, people can wear different things in different manners. They can tie it around their waist and things of the sort. But I think this is going to be a good fit and a good look for me, particularly when winter comes here. So I'm definitely excited about this company, and hopefully I'll be working with them again. So make sure to subscribe and click our notification bell so you can find out every time this company has a new product for you. Thanks again for watching, folks. Beautiful packaging, beautiful product, beautiful results. I'm very happy with them. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. Adios, amigos.